Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to unpair your speaker Soundcore Boom 2 from your device. You have to start by open the settings, find Bluetooth line, and in my devices we can see that a speaker Soundcore Boom 2 connected to our device, so we should click on it and click to forget this device, and again forget device. And here we go, we just unpair our speaker from our device. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!